All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol APHD. This is another one that we've found that it has a little bit of a channel between the 0065 and roughly the 0021 area. What do I mean by that? Obviously, right here, you guys come down to it. You guys bounce up to that 30-day simple moving average, come down. You guys go back up to the top of that channel and come back down. It's just having a hard time right now with these simple day moving averages. Every single time it tries to get past it, and it gets and ends up getting pulled back down. You guys had a gap up right here. I can explain that with penny stock gap ups. Don't do this. But check that out on YouTube. Penny stock gap ups. Don't do this. You'll understand gap ups, how to avoid them, how to watch them. And you know, you can make money on it too if you play it right. So APHD right now, like I said, 0027. Off of this, you guys, this gap up again. You guys had a gap up here, and you guys had a gap up here. You had a gap right here that ended up filling. So a lot of gaps right here on 30 million, 18 million, 31 million, right around between the 10 and 30 million shares traded. It's still kind of low today, but you know, the volume has just dropped off. The interest dropped off in the last few days. However, what we're going to be looking for is definitely the 0021 area to hold. That's going to be a major support line. You're just having a hard time getting through these simple day moving averages. If you do get through them with no gaps, you guys will make it up to 0065 really quick again, in my personal opinion. So we'll see if Joe has anything to add on this one.
Let's see, their latest press release was Appiphany Technologies engages RedChip to lead investor relations efforts. So Appiphany Technologies, which provides private enterprise with total integrated brand protection solutions to prevent revenue loss from counterfeiting, product diversion, and gray market activities, engage RedChip companies to lead its investor relations efforts. Rob Sargent, CEO of Appiphany, stated RedChip as a demonstrated track record of improving valuations and expanding the shareholder bases of emerging growth companies like ours. With RedChip's help, we're confident that the retail and institutional investor communities will better understand our offerings and opportunities in the months and quarters ahead. So, and it basically goes on to tell you a little bit more of RedChip. States that RedChip is a world leader in investor relations, financial media, and research for microcap, small cap, and mid cap stocks. Founded in 1992 and headquartered in Orlando, Florida, with affiliates in New York, Pittsburgh, Paris, Seoul, RedChip has helped hundreds of companies achieve their capital market goals and has been ranked by Inc. magazine as one of the fastest growing privately held investor relations firms in the U.S. RedChip's robust platform includes weekly television show, the RedChip Money Report, which reaches more than 100 million households globally. So their website is www.redchip.com/TV. I'm guessing that they'll probably have this company on. Normally, they obviously, if this guy's going with these guys, they'll probably be doing an interview over there with David.
Yep.
So that's pretty much that.
All right. So again, yep. Go ahead, Joe. I'm sorry, I cut you off there.
Yeah, so I mean, if you want to research more on the company, you can go into their go to the APHD message board over here on Investors Hangout. From there, you can pull up the filings. What I seen right here on the filings, which caught my attention, was from February 27th. There was an RW, which is more or less they were asking
24th.
February 24th. They were withdrawing from something. It was the registrant is requesting the withdrawal because it has canceled the equity purchase agreement with Dorado Investments LLC. So I mean, that's where you basically see what was up with Dorado Investments LLC. I have no idea, but they canceled it, so that's that.
All right.
That's a part of due diligence. You just got to pay attention and read everything.
That's right. All that stuff right here is completely free on investorshangout.com. Again, with the chart, 0027 will need buying interest to push you past the simple day moving averages 0035 and 38, resistance at 0035, 0065, support at 0021, must hold, in my opinion, to hold this. Where it's at. Like I said, volume's starting to come into interest, but the last few days it's dropped off. Hey, it looks way better than it did way back here with no volume, so it's definitely turning around. Keep an eye on it. APHD, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market, and share this video with all other investors you know. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you would like us to take a look at, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list of tickers.